Climate change scientists travel to the most remote places on the Earth to monitor the impact of climate change on the smallest, most fragile organisms. They need a powerful microscope, but laboratory microscopes are fragile and need a solid laboratory bench. ioLight has patented the only pocket microscope that can take images of cells. Beautiful 1 micron images are displayed on the screen of any mobile phone or tablet. Our customers have taken their ioLight microscopes to the Amazon rainforest, Kazakhstan, and even Antarctica. In 2019, National Geographic took an ioLight microscope up Mount Everest to feature in their video on the highest science on Earth. With an ioLight microscope, scientists can analyse their samples immediately on site and make rapid decisions that cut costs and save lives. Most of us have seen algae at the side of the water, but did you know that some algal blooms are extremely toxic, killing fish, pets and making people ill? Warmer water and an increasing amount of fertiliser in lakes, rivers and seas are increasing the incidence of harmful algal blooms. As well as killing and contaminating fish and shellfish, this closes beaches to recreational activities, reducing revenues to leisure industries and preventing residents and visitors from enjoying the water. Harmful algal blooms have cost communities in America over $1 billion in the last 10 years. Most of these blooms are completely harmless, but you need a microscope to identify which are which. ioLight's patented portable microscope can be used with image recognition software to check whether algae is toxic or safe. This simple, rapid test saves driving algae samples to a distant lab and means that water can immediately be quarantined and treated, or reopened for leisure activities and food production.
Great field microscope, but what about the lab? In biology labs, experiments are carried out in incubators at 37 degrees C in a damp CO2 atmosphere to emulate the human body. The carbon dioxide incubator market is growing rapidly due to the growing prevalence of infections and chronic disease and rising interest in stem cell and vaccine research. ioLight's microscope is small enough to fit inside an incubator, so scientists can monitor progress without opening the door and changing the conditions. They can even monitor experiments remotely from home. The incubator market is $200 million, and a competitor recently raised €5.2 million, showing fabulous investor confidence in this market. ioLight's developed a range of microscopes for the field and the lab. We've sold over 380 microscopes worldwide, including Europe, the Americas and Asia. The digital microscope market is $1.1 billion and we're in advanced discussions with several large customers.
As well as the algal bloom opportunity, we have large sales inquiries from India, Taiwan and Spain. So now's a great time to invest in ioLight and help us grow to become a large, successful company.